In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn 5,000 naira daily just by working from home. And this will actually work for you if you're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, and you're looking for that side hustle that you can actually get started with that would start earning you a couple of cash. Guys, if you're making 5,000 naira daily, then in a month, you're actually making over 100,000 naira. And you can even do more for yourself using this particular method I'm going to share with you guys in this particular video. So you basically want to stick right here with me on this video and make sure you watch every step-by-step till the very end and see how I get to do this. Now, the particular website I'm going to share with you guys today is called vtuway.com, and this particular website right here actually helps you make a lot of money by simply chopping up bills for yourself, for your neighbors, and for people all around you. Now, I actually must confess that this is the creator's economy, and because of this, people are tend to using more and more of data and airtime. The consumption has been on the roof. And from my screen right here, you can basically see that with this particular website, I am able to buy data instantly. Now, look at this. I'm going to go ahead and click on buy data right now. And once I click on buy data, I am going to proceed to selecting the network I want to buy data to. I'm also going to select the network type, right? The data type. And I'm going to input the number, right? So I'm going to input the number here, and then I would select the plan, right? Which plan am I looking at buying? So this is the 500 MB plan, and this is going to cost me 150, and I'm going to click on buy now. So once I click on buy now, I'll click on yes, I want to buy data to that particular line. And once I do that, within a couple of seconds, you would actually see that buying this data has been successful. And guys, see immediately, I'm getting a message right here that actually says that I have been credited with 500 MB of data. This is less than 2 seconds of making this purchase. But then guys, I'm going to show you how you can turn this to making 5,000 naira for yourself every other day. Okay, and like I actually shared with you guys, this website is simply vtuway.com, and vtuway.com is a simple website that allows you to pay your bills. It helps you pay all of the bills that you basically need to pay, from your airtime to buying data to electricity bill to your cable TV bills to checking your results to bonus to your wallet and a whole lot of other bills that you basically want to pay. Now, like I said earlier, people want to pay bills, and because they want to pay a lot of bills, they actually want to find the most convenient and easiest way to pay those bills. And with the creator's economy that is actually growing bigger and bigger, there is more consumption of data. Nobody actually wants to actually spend so much money on buying data. We always look out for ways to actually save money on data consumption. And this means that there is a very huge market for you currently to make a lot of money as a student or a stay-at-home mom. Currently, I am even a consumer of my own self because I use about 400 gig monthly, and because of this, I actually pay a lot just to buy data. Yes, I'm a creator. Now, there are a lot of people out there that are just like me. All you basically need to do is to look out for people who are just like me, who create content online and are willing to spend so much more money on their data consumption. So you actually want to come over here to vtuway.com, and once you are in here, you can actually see all of the functions of this website, but you want to proceed to register. It's going to bring you over to this particular page where you're going to fill in all of the details from your username, email, phone number, address, referral username, password, and all of those things. And once you fill this up, it is actually going to take you over to where you sign up. The sign up process is very simple and swift, and you can proceed to log in. Okay, so let me go ahead and sign in right now, and I would show you exactly what you want to be doing. So I'm going to sign in. Now, once you're signed inside of here right now, you want to first of all go ahead and fund your wallet. Okay, and in funding your wallet, you can actually click and you have the access to fund your wallet using Paystack, where you can actually fund your wallet with your card via Paystack or Monify, or you want to also proceed to use the manual bank funding, where you get access to getting to make a transfer to this particular bank details here, and you get to message them based on how much you've paid, and you are going to get credited the amount that you have actually sent via the manual bank funding. Okay, so once your account has been credited here, you're going to get access to all of the features that is currently on the dashboard here. So you can see your transactions, your wallet balance, your summary, and all. And you can see here the wallet balance, the referral bonus, your total referral. But then you want to scroll down, And scrolling down, this is exactly where I love, because here you can see that they have a support team, which is via WhatsApp. So you can either join their WhatsApp group, or you can also message somebody via WhatsApp. This is what I love, because I don't want to stream by my money gets hanging and I don't have anybody to reach out to, or I have a particular delay in transaction and there's nobody I can reach out to. I hope you guys are with me. How many of you guys also feel the same way? So this is exactly where you can reach out to someone on WhatsApp and get to lay your complaint. And underneath here you can see all of the options of processing your payments, whether it's airtime, whether it's buying data, whether it's paying your bills on electricity or cable or whatever it is. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually sell and scale and make a lot of money from this. You can actually make 10K daily. I'll show you guys after this particular point right now. So what you want to basically do is to make sure that you actually sit right here till I end this particular video, and subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon, so that when I make videos like this one that will help you make money, you actually are the first to watch it and you can actually take necessary actions to make more money for yourself. Now, once you're here right now, I've done data for you guys. Let me now do airtime top up and we see how fast it is. I'm going to click on the airtime top up right here. And once I click on the airtime top up, I am going to proceed and say select network, MTN, airtime VTU. I'm going to type in the number right now. And I'm going to also put in the amount. So let's say I want to top up with 500. And you can see here there's a 1% discount. I'm getting 495 naira. And I'm going to click on buy now. Okay, so it's confirming the amount I'm buying. And once I click on it, it is already loading up. And once it is loading up, you are going to see that it says here the transaction is successful. And immediately you can see I have a notification on my screen. Recharge of 500 is successful. My balance is 1,188, and I can actually do a whole lot of stuff right here. This is exactly how fast it can be. Okay, so what exactly is in this for you? Since you have seen this opportunity where you can actually buy these particular services for people, from airtime to data, and help them pay their bills, then the next thing is now actually to find out how to sell this particular service to people. I shared with you guys that I, Franklin, spend 400 gig monthly. Yes, I pay MTN for 400 gig monthly, but then in order for you to make 5,000 naira daily from this particular network, you actually need to sell out about 60 to 80 gigabytes of data. Now, what basically works here is where you are able to get subsidized amounts of this data. Okay, so where MTN is charging 1,000 naira for a particular data bundle, you actually get it here at 950, right? Thereby you are making about 50 naira for yourself. Okay, so you can actually see and understand where the profit for yourself is coming up from. Okay, now once you actually have this 15 naira, your own goal is to accumulate this 15 naira to 100 people who can actually buy this same 1,000 naira data on a daily basis, and you are able to get about 5,000 naira and even much more than that within that particular period of time. I'm not currently saying that. What you want to go ahead and do right now is to go down there and click the link I have in the description and get started with this particular service, right? Sign up and have your own account. That is the very first thing you actually have to do right now. Have your own very account. And once you have your account, you can now do these three major things I'm going to share with you guys. One, you want to help me and look for other creators like myself. I spend 400 gig monthly on MTN, and this basically means that there are other creators who, even though they don't consume as much as data as I consume, they actually spend as much as 100 gig on a monthly basis. But then guys, when we come over here and look at the plans that they have here, for example, you can see that for 10 gig, you are going to be able to sell 10 gig for 2,450 naira on this particular space, right? On VTU way. Let me go over now and let us check how much MTN is going to charge for that particular same 10 gig. Okay, so let me go ahead and look out for the data plans. And I'm going to check for the monthly data plans. And let us see for 10 gig. Okay, so you can see here that for 10 gig, let's go back. I think, yeah, for 10 gig, MTN is charging 3,000 naira. Okay, MTN is charging 3,000 naira for 10 gig, but you're getting it at 2,450 there. Let's do the math, guys. How much are you going to make? Let's do the math. Now, that basically means that we are going to minus 3,000 naira minus 2,450. That is 550 naira. Okay, that is 550 naira. And that means that if you can actually sell 100 gig on a daily basis, that is getting 10 extra people daily. That also means for you that you can actually have times 10. You can see it here. This is 5,500 naira for yourself. You're making 5,500 naira for yourself. So that's the first one. Find creators like me that are currently consuming data. And it is not hard. No, it is not hard to get creators like me because currently everybody is consuming content by either watching a lot of TikTok and Instagram or creating content and uploading up on this particular platform. The second thing you actually want to do right now is to go ahead and blog about your service. Okay, you want to go over to sites like medium.com, and once you are on medium.com, you are creating an account on Medium and you want to write content. Okay, and the content you actually want to write is content around getting cheaper data. You can give 15 naira discount. So instead of people getting 10 gig for 3,000 naira monthly, you can say you're going to get it for 2,900 or 2,950 naira. You still make your profit. From this particular space, you can actually create maybe more of like a direct link to your WhatsApp DM, and people come to your DM and they would actually message you for the data and save themselves 100 naira. Now, the third one here is to sell to your neighbors, control your streets, right? We actually live in compounds where we have a couple of neighbors from like 10 families all together. And if you're a student, you're living in a lodge where there are about 20 or 50 other students inside of that particular lodge. Now, what you want to basically do is to start selling to every one of them. These people actually buy data every day. They buy airtime. They do a couple of cable subscriptions. They pay electricity bills. These are actually opportunities for you to actually sell to them. Be one person that is very social so that you're able to create networks of people who are most likely going to enjoy working with you. Giving them a discount will also help because they understand that they're getting a lower discount price than what they will get when they just go to do it themselves. So that way they're able to come to you at every point in time to be able to get that discount for themselves while you are also making a profit. We did a quick maths right here, and that is if you're to make 5,000 naira daily, then you just need to sell 10 gig to 10 persons on a daily basis. And beyond your compound, to go over to your streets. That street where you're currently living, that estate where you currently live in, try and communicate with people on the next door and the next person at the, at the side of your house, in front of your house, and wherever. Keep on creating networks. You see, this business is a business of volume. It is very scalable, meaning that you can actually grow from making 5k to 10k to 20k, even to 100k. But then you actually need to figure out how to create those networks of people who are most likely going to trust you, and they will always come and ask you. Like I said, your simple funnel can actually be getting people down straight to your WhatsApp, and from WhatsApp, you're able to service them. This is exactly where WhatsApp makes it easier to actually make money these days, because if they have your WhatsApp contact, I'm just chatting you, hi, please subscribe me, my data is finished, or hi, pay my electricity bill, this is my meter number, or hi, pay my cable TV bill, this is my number here, and you actually just make the payment for them and you make your profit. Okay, you might not actually see the possibility in this, but figure out the fact that if you're able to scale and get more numbers, you are going to be able to also make more profit for yourself. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Make sure to click the link I have in the description right now to get started with this particular application. Sign up just for yourself. Even if you don't want to make money from it, sign up and use it to save money on your data bundle and your airtime subscription, or on your bill payments. It is actually going to save you some extra bucks. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. In my video tomorrow, I'm actually going to be exposing a simple way you can actually make money via WhatsApp. You see this WhatsApp you actually have right here? Yes, you're going to make a lot of money from it, and that is exactly what I'm going to share with you guys tomorrow right here on this channel. So make sure you actually subscribe to this channel, smash on the bell icon, and there is going to be one of the links to my business communities. It's going to be down in the description as well, so just check up as well and join this business community so that when I actually share several insights or you have concerns and questions, you can actually get to communicate with me directly in that business community. Meanwhile, I'm expecting your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this particular video and if you're actually getting started right away. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.